You've been using ZeroWater filtered water for a while, but now it tastes sour and smells fishy. What's happening? The answer is simple. It's time to replace the filters. The fishy smell and sour taste indicate that your filter life is exhausted. Let's understand this in detail. ZeroWater filters use ion exchange resins to remove impurities by replacing contaminants with hydrogen and hydroxide ions. However, depending on your usage and incoming water quality, an excess of hydrogen ions and degradation of ions in the resin leads to a sour taste and fishy smell. Well, enough of stating the problems. Here is how to fix them. Depending on your incoming water quality, you should replace your ZeroWater filter every 2 to 4 months, or when it has purified almost 40 gallons of water. The water quality meter on your ZeroWater filter reads Z6 when its life is exhausted. Avoid using hot water. Hot water in your filter accelerates the degradation of anions in the resins, reducing its lifespan. Clean your device thoroughly before installing a new filter. Pour out the water from the device and clean it with mild soap. Rinse the device thoroughly and dry it with a paper towel. Now your device is ready for installation. Keep your ZeroWater filters in your refrigerator and away from sunlight. Anions in the resin responsible for purification degrade faster in the presence of heat and light. Thus, better to keep it away from heat. If you found the video helpful, do like and share. Cheers!